Hi. Today, we will show you how to register your logistics owner-operated company on the TRX app. Open the TRX Driver app. Click on Not Registered Yet. Select Owner-Operated icon and hit the arrow button. On the next screen, provide the details carefully. Double-check the email as your own account will be created with this email. After filling in all the details, click on the Register button and you are done. An email will be sent to your provided email from 𝗧𝗥𝗫𝗹𝗀 with a verification code. Go to your favorite email client like Gmail or Outlook. Open your email that you use to create your TRX account and check for an email from 𝗧𝗥𝗫𝗹𝗀. Find the verification code. If you couldn't find the email, please wait for 2 to 3 minutes or check the spam folder. Now, open the TRX app and provide the verification code. On successful verification, you can log in and start being a part of logistics revolution. With this, we are done with registering a logistics owner-operated company on the TRX app. Thank you for your time.